everybody, and welcome back to FaceSlayWithT&A. If you are new here, hello. This is going to be a slightly frustrating video, I'm not going to lie. The title should say it all. It's a little bit of a rant at the end, so I apologize for that. If you guys don't want to hear what I have to say, then you can just leave after you've watched the video. But it is pretty crucial for beginners. This is not something that you want, in my opinion. Bling Boss was really a big struggle, as you will be able to see. But I think that is it. If you would like to see this makeup look, then just keep watching. So I got a voice clip from one of my sisters this morning, and she had stated that she was very frustrated because she could not get the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault collection in Bling Boss to blend properly. She had asked my opinion, but I couldn't give it to her because I hadn't played with it. So if you can't already guess, I will be playing with it today and seeing. Now I did have some complications with dark magic, so much so that I really did not like the way the makeup look turned out, so I'm not sure if I'm going to actually post it. I might try to refilm it and see what I can do with that. But I think I'm going to use Hush Hush as my transition color, and it's this color right here. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and just put that all over my crease. So far it's a pretty beautiful color. It blends very nicely. Just going to build this color up just a bit. And it looks more brown on my eyes, like a taupey light brown. You don't really see much of like that purpley color. I'm going to switch to like a smaller, more tapered kind of brush. And I think I'm going to go in with Rockstar. And I'm being very, very light-handed with this. I don't want to like just pack it on. So I'm just taking like the tip of it and very lightly, like very lightly, just blending it back and forth. And doing the exact same thing. It's better to go in with less product and work and build up than it is to just go in with a lot and then you're kind of stuck and you can't really take it away. And at first I'm just kind of very lightly packing it, and then I will blend it out. That inner corner. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm going to zoom you in. So like right there, in the inner corner there's lines. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm going to try to blend that out. What the hell? Alright, so that's not so bad. Let's try a smaller brush. Okay, I'm gonna use this little tiny brush and hopefully that will work. that does look a lot better, but as you can see, it's like it's stuck there now. And I'm going to try to take that big fluffy brush again and go in with Hush Hush and blend it out. So that doesn't look so bad. I find that if you pack it more than just like blend it back and forth, it works better. But to blend it out so that it's not so choppy, I'm going to go back in again with Hush Hush and blend it out with this brush right here. Alright, that's not so bad. So I think I'm going to deepen it up, and I'm going to use Mystic, which is this like winey, deep red, purpley shade. And use the exact same little small little brush, and I'm going to do that and keep it really, really low. Doesn't really look much different. That was not what I was hoping for. Alright. Let's try to cut this out. I'm going to go into Ballsy, which is that shade right there. Now what I like to do is I like to take the product on my brush and then spray it. Huh. Not what I was expecting, but okay. I am then going to take Glitz and Glam, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to put that on either side. So I'm just going to take this little angled brush, and I'm going to go in with a Bling Bling. And then for the outer corners, I'm just going to go in with Berry Treasure. Like, I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but it actually has like some sparkle in it. So we're going to put that on the outer corner. I don't know, I'll take this brush, a little like other angled brush, and I'm going to go back in with Mystic and just kind of make that line above darker. And blend that out with some Hush Hush. Meh. Alright, I'm going to pop off and do the other eye really quickly, and we will be back. So I wanted to show you guys, I don't know if you can see that, but there is like this harsh line that's right here, and I have been trying to blend it out for a good like 5 minutes now, and it's just not working no matter how much, and I keep going back in with Hush just to kind of blend it out, and it's not. That harsh line is still staying there, and I just don't know what to do. Obviously, I'm putting tons of other eyeshadows on top of it, so it'll all work out in the end, but it is extremely frustrating that this is doing this, and this is the second batch. This was supposed to be fixed, and it's not fixed, and I don't understand why. Like, okay, where's that brush? Going back in with my small brush. That harsh line is just not going away. So we're gonna move on. So this was the makeup look I created with Bling Boss. I do love the way this makeup look turned out. It is very, very pretty. But with that being said, it was definitely a lot of work to achieve this makeup look. It probably took me in real time about an hour and 45 minutes, and that is not usually time I want to spend on a makeup look. So really disappointed, not impressed. The two palettes that I had my heart set for was Dark Magic, which again, I don't know how well that turned out, and I will have to check my footage. I might try again to film another look and really make it work, because I sat down and really tried to make this work. But for beginners, you don't really want to sit down and try to make it work, you know what I'm saying? You want it to work, which is really disappointing and really frustrating. I thought she had worked out all the kinks in this one, and it seems like she hasn't. And even a Instagram shot that I have, I can put it right up here if you guys would like to see it. Somebody told her that they weren't swatching very well, and she told them to scrape off the sides of her palette. So that's a little ridiculous to me. You know, I don't know about a lot of other people, but I can also put it up here right at the top if you'd like to see us spend $74.07 on these palettes. So do I want to scrape off the top of them for them to work? No, I really don't. I spent that money expecting that they were going to work because you said that you'd fixed everything. So yeah, I really love Jaclyn, and I really love the Dream palette. I have it here, baby. I use it all the time, and I love her. I am obsessed with her, but this is really frustrating. I really expected better from her, to be honest. So yeah, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see any other videos from the Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection or anything else that you'd like me to do. Please leave it in the comments down below. And I think that's about it. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and a little bell beside it so you get notifications on when we upload new videos. And I think that's about it. I hope you guys have a great day, night, lunchtime, wherever you are, and I hope to see you in the next video.